How to easily export your images as PNG in Figma. Let's get started. First, open the design file with the image you want to export. Select the frame, image, or object you want to export. So let's say I want to export this like a thunderbolt, like a lightning situation kind of thing. I want to export this one, right? So I've simply selected this, and now all I have to do is look over to the right panel and down to find the export section, which is all the way at the bottom. And now click on the plus button to add export option. And then you can see this option of PNG. It's already in PNG. There's other option as well. Simply select PNG from the drop down menu. After choosing the PNG, click export at the bottom. Now you will be like a prompt will appear. To the location on your computer, name your file and hit save. And that's it. You've successfully exported your image as a PNG. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tips. Happy designing!